Women's rights activist LaToya Nugent has been ordered to pay $16 million in a defamation case against pastor.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
Former Moravian minister Dr. Canute Thompson has been awarded $16 million in damages in a defamation suit against gender activist LaToya Nugent, who is the co-founder of advocacy group Tambourine Army. Thompson had asked the court to award him $20 million in damages. The suit was filed after Nugent made several Facebook posts in December of 2016 against him and other former Moravian ministers. In making her ruling, which was handed down on Thursday, January 31st, Justice Audrey Linder said she considered factors such as Thompson's standing and Nugent's conduct. Linder also said she considered the potential reach of Facebook as a global social network with billions of users. Since the filing of the lawsuit, Nugent has not been active on Facebook. Thompson also reported that his attorneys had difficulty serving documents on Nugent. She did not appear in any of her hearings, and so last year a default judgment was made against her after she failed to respond to or file a defense against the claim filed by Thompson in 2017. The former Moravian minister, through his attorneys, demanded that Nugent withdraw the allegations and apologize, but she refused. The court heard, too, that she responded to the demands using expletives and telling the lawyers to proceed with their lawsuit. Thompson said he has instructed his attorneys to use all legal means to have the judgment executed. She is also to pay Thompson's legal cost. Dr. Thompson, who said his only motivation was to restore his name, was represented by Michael Hilton QC and was instructed by the law firm Williams, McCoy and Palmer. They said that Nugent defamed their client without any basis, and having known that she could not prove it, did not challenge the issue. In 2017, Nugent was arrested under the Cybercrimes Act and a criminal case initiated against her. The St. Andrew resident was charged with 3 counts of using a computer for malicious communication under Section 9, Subsection 1 of the Act. Nugent was facing up to 4 years in prison, but in May of 2017, the matter was discontinued in the Kingston and St. Andrew Parish Court by the Director of Public Prosecutions, Paula Llewellyn. According to the DPP, after reviewing the material on all 3 counts, there was not enough to make it a viable prosecution. Llewellyn said the charges were not viable because each count could not satisfy all the ingredients under the relevant section of the Cybercrimes Act. At the time of discontinuing the case, Llewellyn had encouraged the 3 complainants, including Thompson, to seek civil remedies. Nugent was arrested and charged after formal complaints were made to the police by some of the individuals. She fell sick while in lockup at the Duane Park police station and had to be taken to hospital for treatment. The Tambourine Army describes itself as a radical social justice movement committed to uprooting the scourge of sexual violence and safeguarding the rights of women and girls.
Teach them! Hey yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.